So guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna do something with ackee. I'm gonna work some magic with my ackees. So if you want to see, stay tuned. So guys, after removing the shell and the seeds, this is what is remaining, and I'm gonna put this to scald. I'm not cooking it, I'm gonna put it to scald. And here you see I have some water. It's hot, so I'm gonna put it in there and allow it to scald, let's say for at least a minute. So guys, here it is. I'm gonna allow it to stay here for a minute or two, and then I'm gonna remove it, and then we'll actually cook it. So guys, this is some chicken that I have seasoned and all, and I'm just gonna fry these up. So we can go to the next step. So guys, my chicken was ready, so I remove it from the pot. So in the same pot, I'll be adding some vegetables, some onions, garlic. So guys, I'm gonna allow this to stir fry a bit, just to allow the flavors to release. So guys, I'll be also adding some frozen corn. You don't have to use frozen corn if you don't want to, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna use. Now I am adding some water. Some all-purpose seasoning, about a teaspoon, a little salt, and then allowing this to come to a boil. So guys, now I will be adding my ackee. And also I'll be adding my rice. So guys, I have also put a piece of thyme in it. And I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. So guys, I'm gonna allow this to cook until the rice is cooked, and then you will see how colorful, flavorful, and delicious this meal looks and will taste. So guys, here it is, not yet done, still need to steam a little more, but at this point I will be adding my chicken to it, which is absolutely optional. You don't have to add anything more to it, but I'll be adding some chicken to it. So guys, I will allow this to continue to steam, and then you will see the ending product. So guys, this is the ending product. It is all ready to be served. So guys, there you have it. My ackee seasoned rice is ready, and I also sauteed some snap peas in butter and some ripe plantains. So guys, as you can see, my rice is very shelly. You can find the ackee, there it is, and also the chicken. Yes guys. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video, and I hope you try it soon. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining. And if you do enjoy this video, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment. So guys, until the next video, bye bye.